Hello everyone. Let's dive into the ABK design wall computer case. This isn't just another case. It's a statement piece designed to put your gaming PC on display. First impressions are strong. The stainless steel construction feels incredibly robust, and the electrostatic powder coating gives it a sleek, premium finish. This case is clearly built to last and to look good doing it. For those who take pride in their PC builds, the ABK design case offers a unique way to showcase their components. Cooling is a major consideration for any gaming PC, and this case doesn't disappoint. It supports 240mm to 360mm liquid cooling radiators, providing ample options for keeping even high-end CPUs running cool under pressure. The open design also contributes to excellent airflow, and the side ventilation holes are strategically placed to expel hot air effectively. Air cooling enthusiasts aren't left out either, with plenty of room for large air coolers. Compatibility is another key strength. The case supports mini IDX and micro ATX motherboards, offering flexibility for different build sizes. It can accommodate up to 2 SSDs and 1 HDD, or 3 SSDs if you prefer an all-SSD setup. The generous 44cm maximum GPU length means you can install even the largest, most powerful graphics cards on the market. The included GPU sag prevention bracket is a thoughtful addition, ensuring your graphics card remains secure and level. Wall mounting is where this case truly shines. It transforms your PC from a static box into a dynamic piece of wall art. The mounting process appears straightforward, and the open design makes it easy to access and maintain your components. The ability to display your PC components like this is a real head-turner. The ABK design wall computer case is a well-crafted, versatile, and visually striking option for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want to showcase their builds. Its durable construction, excellent cooling support, and broad compatibility make it a top contender in the wall-mounted PC case market. If you're looking to elevate your gaming setup and make a statement, this case is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.